You know what they say, pay peanuts and you get monkeys. When it comes to home sale photography, we have our tried and tested photographers who know our style of editing and expected standards. I'm happy to say that peanuts aren't their currency, but neither do they excessively charge for their professionalism. I'm Karen Jones and I live, breathe and think real estate. I'm passionate when it comes to producing a quality product, especially when marketing your home for sale. If you want to create an exquisitely attractive real estate campaign, professional real estate photos will be an invaluable contribution and worth every penny invested. Good photography evokes emotion. If buyers like what they see online, they're more likely to attend an open home or request a private inspection to investigate further. Let's begin by understanding the types of photography available. Dusk shoots. Now these are particularly effective with high-end waterfront properties as it captures the light perfectly, creating a homely ambience. Day shoots. These suit all property types and there are many packages available to accommodate every budget. Aerials. Living on the Sunshine Coast lends itself to aerial photography to show the proximity to the beach, the river, canals and waterways. I'm not one to be monkeying around when it comes to selling one of the greatest assets you'll ever own. You know better than anyone the best attributes of your home, and I enjoy discussing with my vendors how best to capture these characteristics, giving you effective exposure to potential buyers. If you're considering selling, please give me a call and we can have a chat about how I can best focus on delivering you the results you deserve.